Hello, my name is Catherine. Welcome to the eLLite review. In this review, you will get to know what this new product can do. eLLite can hijack any websites and use its content or any Google Doc or PDF to generate lead magnet for your campaigns. It is a fast and unique affiliate commission software. Stick around with me till the end of the video and I will show you how to access my exclusive custom bonuses no one else is offering. Should you decide to buy this product, you will come to this members area. This is the dashboard of the software and I will show you how it works from a short 2-minute demo video.
How eLLite turns any URL or any website into your lead magnet, your opt-in page, your free traffic generation system. The ebook section, click add ebook. Everybody's talking about iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's say we want to promote something related to iPhone 13 Pro Max. We want to hijack it. All we have to do is to copy the URL and paste it here. Click choose a title and the website will load. Just click to choose the title and add selected content to post. Boom. Now you can edit if you want or keep it as is. Edit the content of the lead magnet or your ebook, so click again and choose any section you want to add. Just click, 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 click and add selected content. You can add more, you can add less. Have a full-blown editor, you can edit it. Edit the image or any media files and change the image or media files. It's very easy to change and click OK. The image is edited. Title of the ebook or the landing page. Add front page bottom text if you want. Put your name on it. You can also import royalty-free images from Pixabay. Just search, find and select. Page title. Add a description for the lead capture. Select your lead capture or lead page template. That's it. Job done. And when you click on the link, instead of the PDF ebook, a lead page opens. To sign up to open the PDF lead magnet. And once you sign up, you will see a thank you message and a referral link for a better gift. The gift, ebook or the lead magnet opens as a PDF. Let me show you how it generates free traffic. But once a better gift and refer another person, here is what happens. When someone joins using the referral link, that person also gets a referral URL. But this person opens this PDF, open the ebook in the form of a beautiful flip book. It's beautiful, right? So this is how eLLite provides you with lead magnet, lead page, and traffic generation all under one dashboard. Did you like it? Go get it using any button on the page and we will see you inside.
Now that looks easy enough. Now let me show you the vendors bonuses. Okay, bonus number 1 is get results in the first 5 minutes. Bonus number 2 is 3 ways we bank fast with eLLite. Bonus number 3 will be 2021 year-end bundle. Bonus number 4 will be the Christmas cash kit. Bonus number 5 will be how we scale eLLite to 10K a month. Should you decide to buy this product, do click on to the link at the description below and you will come to my bonus page. Should you decide to buy this product, do click on to any of these green buttons here to secure your copy of your software and bonuses. Now at the prices and upsells, the front end, you can access to its software and training modules at the price of $22. However, if you were to go to the sales page, there is a $5 discount to claim. Okay, that makes it $17 just for this launch. And there are some key benefits here you can read through yourself. All right, there is a sales page video here that you can have even a greater understanding behind this new product. Should you be buying this product under my link, you will be getting my custom bonuses. Custom bonus number 1. There are many people out there who are questioning whether they can make a living from affiliate marketing. Well, doubt no more. Just go ahead and jumpstart into this affiliate marketing the sure way. This will be one bonus that will help you see the bigger picture as well as to guide you step by step as to how to secure a living through affiliate marketing. Bonus number 2 is my top affiliate marketing tools to put your affiliate program on autopilot. Custom bonus number 3 will be what are the common mistakes every affiliate marketer needs to avoid. Custom bonus number 4 will be how list building expert helps you to drive your internet business to success. And bonus number 5 will be the free access to all bonuses from the vendor. Let's do a recap as to what you will get from purchasing this product. You will get a brand new eLLite software autopilot system, over-the-shoulder tutorial, ready fire profit guide, live chat support, 3 steps to $420 in 8 hours, call to millions, the live training, the 5 bonuses, and the 4 gifts, and 30-day money-back guarantee, and get results or get paid $250, all mount up to over $11,000, plus my 4 bonuses at the price of $17 one time during this launch. So should you be considering to buy this product, do click on to any of these buttons here to secure your copy of your product and bonuses. Thanks for taking the time to check out my review and bonuses. See you next time. Bye.